The ex-girlfriend of Sean, Diddy, Combs, Young Miami, asserts that she has documentation refuting Lil Rod's lawsuit's allegations that she gave drugs to the rapper. A source close to Young Miami exclusively told Us Weekly, the allegations Lil Rod has made in his lawsuit are completely false. The source said that Young Miami had time-stamped photo evidence of her in New York City at the time the lawsuit alleged she was trafficking tuci, also known as pink cocaine, for Diddy, 54. Lil Rod filed legal papers on Monday, March 25, naming Young Miami. The records, which are a part of a case that was first brought against Diddy in February, claim that the rapper had a bias toward pink cocaine, which is a combination of cocaine and ecstasy that is categorized as phenylethylamine 2C/B. Brendan Paul, who was detained earlier this month on suspicion of possessing cocaine and marijuana, is said to have given the drugs to Diddy. According to Lil Rod, Diddy moved to Young Miami as a source when Paul failed to deliver the cocaine. The Hollywood Reporter said that the court filing stated, plaintiff and the Combs RICO enterprise were rehearsing for something in the Westival, SIC, in Virginia. In his dressing room, Plaintiff Jones saw Mr. Combs perform a couple lines of cocaine firsthand. Defendant Christina Coram phoned Young Miami after defendant Sean Combs requested tuci and Brendan forgot, who then transported it from Miami aboard the private jet. Diddy's attorney refuted the charges in a statement to Us, branding Jones a liar. Attorney Sean Hawley stated, Lil Rod is nothing more than a liar who shamelessly filed a $30 million lawsuit, looking for an undeserved payday. His careless name-dropping about things that are purely made up and did not actually happen is just an obvious ploy to make headlines. Homeland Security raided Diddy's properties in Miami and Los Angeles on the same day that Lil Rod submitted the updated paperwork. The raids were purportedly conducted in connection with a federal investigation into sex trafficking. Diddy was seen at Miami International Airport a few hours after the raids, however it's unknown if he was on the property at the time. Since then, Diddy's lawyer Aaron Dyer has issued a statement regarding the raid. Search warrants at Mr. Combs' properties were carried out with a flagrant abuse of military-level force yesterday. The statement said, there is no justification for the excessive use of force and animosity displayed by authorities or the treatment of his staff and children. Mr. Combs spoke with and assisted with officials, but he was never placed under arrest. Notwithstanding rumors in the media, neither Mr. Combs nor any of his relatives have been detained or had their travel privileges in any kind impeded. Dyer went on, this unprecedented ambush, combined with a sophisticated, orchestrated media presence, causes an unwarranted rush to Mr. Combs's defense and amounts to nothing more than a witch hunt predicated on baseless allegations brought in civil cases. Regarding any of these charges, no criminal or civil culpability has been found. Mr. Combs is innocent, and he will keep fighting to clear his name every day. A few days later, Diddy was seen in Miami playing top golf with his 17-year-old daughters Delilah and Jessie, appearing unfazed. With contributions from Travis Cronin.